So why I personally would not start a short channel. As you can see, this short here, this short was 9 seconds long and it has over 7.9 million views. It almost generated us over 7,000 subscribers. You can see here also on the graph, posted on 18th of August 2025, and in 2 days it just exploded completely, almost reaching 6 million views. Here you can see also a other video of mine, posted this, when was this, 17th of August, 3 days later. Wait, that is not correct, sorry. Yes, 3 days later, 5 million views. So first and foremost, let me explain to you why I wouldn't choose a short channel. Well, I have deactivated my monetization on this channel, and that is because I'm currently just, going for the subscribers, and I'm scared to get this channel maybe like deleted, and as this is like connected to all of my other accounts, I don't want to put my other accounts at risk, that the monetization will be gone there, because this monetization was absolutely crap. And that is also the first step that I want to tell you guys. If you are going to make a YouTube automation channel, despite shorts or long form videos, make sure to always focus on American audience, US audience. I never thought about it. I always thought like, it doesn't matter where the views come from. Views equals money. That is completely wrong. That is super ignorant. Let me tell you why. Because this is all focused on RPM. If you are getting a lot of viewers from Indonesia, the RPM will be way lower than if you will have a lot of viewers from the US. So let me tell you this. For this short that has almost 8 million views, you currently cannot see like the revenue here, but I'll tell you how much I've made from this one short alone. Yeah? With an audience from Indonesia. For 7.9 million views, I have made 55 euros. Okay? 55 euros. These two shorts combined generated me over 100 euros, like 115 or 100, I think 115 or 109 euros. That is absolutely nothing. Listen, if I would focus on a US based channel, it would at least like have given me 1,000 euros, and that's a huge difference. That's like 900 euros of a difference, and that's a lot of money that you can spend on food, clothing, or even put it back into AI, your channel, to upgrade it. So that's the first step that I want to give you guys. If you are going to start your YouTube automation channel, focus on US audience. Like please do not make that stupid mistake that I've made. That was really, it still hurts till this day. The second thing that I want to say is go with the trends. There is always going to be something that is trending, and if it is trending, go with the wave. So if there is going to be anything trending, I would say go with the wave. Go on the bandwagon, and just, even if it is just like for 3 days, take everything what you can from that opportunity, man. If it's there, just jump on it. Second of all, I want to show you guys this video here, because this video here generated me over 3 million views, and this was in a completely different niche. It was in the celebrity niche, and I'm currently still in the celebrity niche, but I'm not focused on the US based audience. I'm still focusing on the Indonesian audience, just to gain some subscribers with it, just to learn also more about YouTube automation. But if you are new to YouTube automation, I would 100% like suggest you, if this is your first channel, go in the celebrity niche, man. Like honestly, celebrity niche is so broad. You can talk about so many things. Top 5. You can talk about the best celebrity actress, the best singers, scandals, drama. Like there is so much content that you can talk about in the celebrity niche. I would say if this is the first time that you are going to do YouTube automation, I think the celebrity niche is a super good niche to start in. Second thing that I want to talk about is I see a lot of channels, they talk about make a short channel. I personally think that it is way better to focus on long form content. First of all, the RPM in comparison with shorts and long form is way different. My highest long form RPM is 18 euros. My highest short RPM was 30 cents. The difference is huge. And listen, if you are not yet monetized and you want to monetize your channels, in my experience, I have noticed that when I focus on channels with just doing shorts, it took me so long to gain subscribers, to gain the views. Like that 10 million views, it's harder than you think, man. Like, honestly, it is harder than you think. And that 4,000 watch hours that you need on long forms, you will have that way faster. Like, honestly, you will have that way faster. Plus, RPM is higher, it is quicker to monetize your channel. And second of all, is also when you make like these long form videos, you can just like manually put ads inside, like in between your videos. You can literally put as much as you want every 1 minute. Every time a viewer is going to be hit with an advertisement, you will get paid. So if you guys are going to start this YouTube automation journey, please focus on you as audience. And also, if you can and if you want, of course, like, do long form content. I promise you, you will save a lot of energy, time, and you will gain way more out of it. Thirdly, I also want to say, I see a lot of people saying that this is like an easy business model and everything. No, it's not. This is like flipping hard, man. Don't expect you to make one short and to immediately have like millions of views, becoming this, this super rich person by doing YouTube automation. That is not reality. Everyone that is saying to you that like that is YouTube automation, bro, they are just scamming your ass. I promise you that. So before you are going to start YouTube automation, just know that this is not a get quick scheme. This is like, you really have to put a lot of time, effort, and energy in this whole model. And if you are a person that don't want to do that, don't do YouTube automation. I promise you, you're just going to waste your time. But if you're a person that really likes to learn, work hard, then this is a great model. If you guys have any questions, listen, I'm not a professional or anything, but if you guys have any questions, and if I can answer it, I would love to answer it, because I don't want to see people making the same dumb mistakes that I've made. Man, it still hurts me seeing these views. And then also the money that I've not generated from this. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you guys learned something new. And I'll see you guys all in the next one.